Okay, so if you're watching this video, that means you've gotten all your rope braids done. So the next step is to put the headpieces and the wristlets and anklets together. So you should have 12 of the single strands for the wristlets and anklets, and you should have 3 of the double strands and 1 single strand for the headpiece. You took the 3 double strands, folded it in half, and double knotted it at the midpoint to get the base. The last thing you want to do is to take the remainder of your raffia once you're done, cut them into 6-inch segments, and have them all ready to go. Store them in a box or in a bag, however is easiest for you to transport. So how we're going to start is you have the 6 braids lined out this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to show you how this is going to go. I've already done the first row just for stability so I can show you easier. You definitely want to have someone holding the end of the rope to keep it nice and tight. You have to run the tracks tight or it's not going to look good. Okay? So you can either tie it to a doorknob or to the poles in class. So you can see distinctly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to start by putting them every 2 ropes, 2 ropes, 2 ropes. The next row will be these 2 in the middle and these 2 in the middle. Then you go back to the original 2 ropes, 2 ropes, 2 ropes, and then again the middle and the middle. So we're going to run through this once. You're going to grab your bunches of raffia, the 6-inch segments, like a taco underneath the first 2 braids. I'm going to go up as if the braid's the meat for the taco. You're going to put your fingers through the center, pull the raffia through, and then push it all the way to the end, to the knots, as tight as you can. If it's not tight, it's not going to look good. Then you get to your next 2. Once again, come up from under, like the braids are the taco meat for the taco shell. I don't know how else to explain it. Come up, put your fingers through the center to pull it down, pull it through. All of this is going to get cleaned up later. You're going to trim it and comb it out. And take the last 2. Once again, coming from the underside, put your fingers through, and pull. So you're going to have a pretty wide band of all of the raffia coming through on the other side. Now that we've done the 2, 2, and 2, you're going to skip the first one, do the next 2, and you're going to do the same thing. Underneath, pull through, then you'll get the next 2 underneath, pull through, go back to the 2, 2, 2, and that's how you do the headpiece.